Freestyle session in the building. I'm about to hit you in the ceiling. Getting down on the grind. Beat the beat back. Let me get the down to the time. Go on, grab my damn trophy. Go on, see the tray come out and it's loafing around. Smoking on the pine. About to come up straight from D-Time. What you gonna do? Where you gonna go? It's me steady on the mic, I got the flow. Yes, I go hard. Yes, I can do it. I ain't did it in 10 years with my crew. With my damn crew. I'ma go boo-boo. On the damn toilet, cause my shit is so through. Through out the door. Through out my flow. I done came through and I still got some go. 1999, that's when I was dying. Bring the beat back and I'm about to get grind. One more time. I'm steady rhyming, chart steady climbing. I got the diamond in my damn ear. I'm gonna cheer for my boys running down on the chandelier. Know I'm in the football field. Don't catch the touchdown, Trey, grab the peel, grab the damn peel. Don't score a touchdown. Now I'm about to come down and I got surround sound on my damn game. I'm go clean. I don't stop rapping and you still know my name. Don't say it loud. Don't say it clean. It's DT coming through, mug on me. Meaner than the mess, meaner than some stress. I done came down, yes sir, I'm still blessed. Blessed with my crew, don't grab you. Got my little boy Kobe on the YouTube. On the YouTube, he gon' come down. Breaking boys off, yes sir, from D-Time. One more time, look at him rhyme. Shaking his head, yes sir, he goes down. Down on the floor, he gon' do some more. Let me see you do that little Dougie, little Cole. Don't do the Dougie, don't do it quick. Let me see you do it right now, he on the mix. All he get clean, all he do is sting. Little Kobe got his bug on me. I'm about through, I ain't got nothing to say. I'm about to stop rapping on this tray, on this damn track. I ain't that whack, I might come through with my Kobe on his back. Yes sir, I'm right now, I'm done.